Turn up TV.
Yes, my people, welcome back to Trouble Turn Up TV. So you don't know, I just seen on the screen right here, and I get to understand that people are going around selling Chinese, Mr. Chin, free crackers, which meant to be for the people in need. You don't know where to go. So, my people, if you're really doing this, please cease from selling the free crackers that donated to the people who affected by the Hurricane Melissa. So let Chinaman speak for himself.
Alright everyone, the top crackers come from National Bakery, right? That's for the donation booth, that's for no way, not for selling the market, right? Please, everybody see that. That's not silly, right? Thank you very much. Alright everyone, the top crackers come from National Bakery, right? That's for the donation booth, that's for no way, not for selling the market.
Turn up TV.